From front-end daytime hits to nighttime intersection smash-ups, Alex Jang's dash cams have captured it all.
These are probably the most affordable dash cams, anywhere between like $100. Works when the vehicle turns on.
From his BlackboxMyCar headquarters, Jang ships thousands of dash cams to clients across North America each year. He started selling the silent ammo in 2012 after his family was involved in a crash with no witness. Ever since, business is booming.
We started team of 2, and now we are a team of 14. So that definitely says something about how busy we are and how much we grew in the last 4 years.
As the hits keep coming, a spike in the use and quality of dash cam footage is changing the way crashes are investigated. This alleged East Vancouver hit and run was followed by a brief pursuit and some fighting words.
You just hit and ran me at a green light.
You ran me at a green light.
No, I didn't.
You right you did.
No, I didn't.
After viewing the video, Vancouver police turned the file over to ICBC to determine who's at fault.
What the video does is it clears up any misinterpretation of those events. We would just prefer that it's gathered safely and turned over to us in its entirety.
Video is the best type of evidence you can have in a trial because it's an objective record of what happened.
While ICBC claims are decreasing, payouts may be increasing, as legal experts believe video proof may be killing ICBC's strategy of laying partial blame on both drivers.
And with dashcam video, that makes it more difficult for ICBC to do that, and more claims are going to have to be paid out that ICBC maybe otherwise wouldn't.
ICBC says so far there's no indication dashcam drama is causing more payouts. Kristen Robinson, Global News.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.